Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth tutorial. This is a very simple tutorial where we're just going to tell you how to deploy a particular sketch onto the Arduino hardware device. So it's a simple blink problem where we just want the Arduino's LED, which you can see here, which is already kind of blinking. I'm sorry, it's not anything. Yeah, it's already kind of blinking. So yeah, we're going to try to write or like just deploy a simple sketch, which is gonna, do a simple blink operation. Okay, so yeah, we have a document ready, which is already on the website. So we're gonna go through the Arduino IDE again. You can go to File, Examples, and then scroll up to the basics and click on Blink. I think we already went through this in the first tutorial, but yeah, this is the setup function and the loop function. We have the digital write, the delay for 1 second. So just to be like to show you the difference between the LED, we can do this to like 5 seconds and this as 5 seconds as well. We can save this as a new sketch, like a blink file, and then we can click on verify. This just compiles the sketch for the Arduino hardware and converts it into machine code. And then we're just going to deploy the machine code onto the hardware device. So this is the compiler working right now, compiling the user-defined code into streams of 0 and 1, which is like what the simplest machine code that the hardware devices can understand. So now, since it's like compiled, you can also see how much RAM and how much dynamic memory it's going to consume. So it consumes like 8% of the total storage space, which is like 98,000, yeah, something like that, like a huge value in number of bytes, and like 16% in terms of dynamic memory, which is the RAM. And yeah, so this is an important step for us because like for us, memory is a very crucial factor, and it's going to be an important thing that we use later on. Like we have to monitor it later on as well. So you're going to go to this right arrow and click on upload. And you're going to see it's going to take some time and deploy it on the hardware device. Just make sure that in tools, we have the port defined and like the Arduino Nano is connected to it. And also in boards. So we have some error here, I guess. Yeah, I think that's because the board is not properly selected. So we're going to select COM15 and then click on deploy again. So now you can see it says Arduino Nano 33 BLE on COM15. So these are some of the errors that you can run into if the board is not connected and the Arduino cannot find it. See, so okay. So now you see it's writing on to the Arduino device. And now see the Arduino LED. So now it's off. And then for 5 seconds, it's going to turn on and then turn off again. So this is a pretty simple sketch that we deployed, but it's just the beginning. We're going to get into some pretty advanced stuff in the coming weeks. And yeah, see you then. Thank you.